Hello everyone, welcome back to the Login It channel. Today I will be showing you how to use text to speech on TikTok or the Siri voice on TikTok. Now then, first of all, open your TikTok application, tap open the app. Now once you are inside your TikTok account, you need to tap on the create icon, that is the plus icon on the bottom. You need to tap on create and record a video for a certain period of time. Now I'm going to record a video, tap on create. Video. Once you've recorded your video, you need to tap on the tick mark at the right side, tap on it. It's important to note that your text-to-speech or the Siri voice can only be as long as your video. So if it takes the voice longer to read the message than your video is, then it will just get cut off. So you need to make sure that you record enough time so that the voice can read everything that you write. Go ahead and tap on text. So type in a message for the voice to read. So I'm gonna type in hello. Now there's a text, you can put it anywhere you want. I'm just gonna keep it over here. Now what you need to do is tap on the text. You will see the option there, you will see the option of text to speech. Tap on it. Now I'm gonna play the video and you will see the text to speech have been in effect.
Hello, TikTok comment hi if you've reached this far.
And that's it. You got the voice to read your message. So again, just tap on the text and you can see the option of cancel, set duration. I'm gonna play the voice again.
Hello, TikTok comment hi if you've reached this far.
So now you just go to the next page, tap on next. Now you can post your video on your TikTok account. Tap on post. You have learned how you can use the text-to-speech or the Siri voice on TikTok. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned how you can use Siri voice in TikTok. Please like and subscribe the Login It channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.